If you are over 60, you have probably felt that your legs are not as steady as they used to be. Climbing a few steps makes you tired, standing up from a chair requires momentum, and sometimes even a short walk makes you worry that you are slowly losing your independence. But what is surprising is that this condition is not always caused by age. Many older adults are simply missing the nutrients their legs need to stay strong every day. In this video, I will share 3 very familiar drinks that are easy to prepare and are likely already in your kitchen. They can help reduce muscle soreness, limit nighttime cramps, and make your legs stronger week by week. And the final drink on the list is something you probably already have in your fridge, yet very few people realize how effective it truly is. Before we go into the first drink, I want to hear from you. Which city are you watching from? Leave a short comment below because our community of people over 60 is always friendly and happy to share experiences with each other. If you find this topic helpful, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next guides made specifically for leg health. Now, make yourself comfortable, and if possible, prepare a warm drink beside you. We will start with the first drink, and this one is a simple choice that many people have found surprisingly effective within just a few weeks. Imagine reaching the end of the day, when everything becomes quieter and you finally have a moment for yourself. That is when a warm cup of turmeric milk becomes the perfect companion. In traditional Ayurvedic practice, this drink is used as a gentle way to care for the joints, the muscles, and overall relaxation after many hours of movement. What makes turmeric special is curcumin, a compound widely studied for its ability to reduce hidden inflammation in the body. This type of inflammation is what makes knees sore, ankles stiff, and muscles slow to recover in older adults. When used consistently, turmeric milk helps your legs feel more comfortable, your steps feel lighter, and your joints less stiff in the morning. The recipe is simple. Warm a cup of milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption, a bit of cinnamon for aroma, and a touch of honey to make it easier to drink. Enjoy it at night to help your body relax and sleep better. If you try it tonight, let me know how your body responds. If golden milk helps your evenings unwind, the second drink is like an ancient nourishing remedy. Bone broth is not just an ordinary bowl of soup, it is a traditional drink used for generations to help the body recover, especially when the joints and muscles start weakening. When bones are simmered for many hours, the collagen breaks down into peptides and easily absorbed amino acids. These nutrients are exactly what the body needs to repair connective tissue, strengthen the joints, and support muscle maintenance. After 60, natural protein production drops sharply, making legs tire easily, knees less stable, and feet swell by the end of the day. Bone broth delivers the precise building blocks your legs need to stay strong and flexible. The method is simple. Add bones to a pot, fill with water, add a splash of apple cider vinegar to draw out nutrients, and simmer for 12 to 24 hours. Strain and season lightly. You can drink it in the morning or before meals as a warm, light, nourishing drink. With consistent use, many people notice better joint comfort and significantly less heaviness in their legs within a few weeks. With turmeric milk helping soothe inflammation and bone broth rebuilding connective tissue, your legs have already received a strong foundation. But to truly feel a noticeable improvement in muscle strength and stability as you walk, there is still one missing piece that many older adults overlook. And this is the part that creates the biggest difference in long-term leg health. This missing piece is the pair of minerals, potassium and magnesium. Potassium helps regulate the contraction and relaxation of each muscle fiber, keeps nerve signals smooth, and reduces nighttime cramps. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, improves recovery after activity, and stabilizes energy levels throughout the day. When either mineral is lacking, muscles tire quickly, knees lose strength, and your legs may tremble slightly when you stand up. This is why the third drink is considered the highlight of the entire list. It provides both minerals in a natural, easy-to-absorb form that works particularly well for adults over 60. Some doctors even describe it as a drink that can completely change how strong your legs feel. Let us take a closer look at why this drink is so effective. The third drink I want you to try is a blend of ripe banana and almonds. It is a simple recipe, yet it creates the exact nutrient combination older legs need. Bananas are among the richest natural sources of potassium. This mineral helps regulate muscle movement, supports nerve function, and significantly reduces nighttime leg cramps. Many older adults say that once they get enough potassium, the sudden tightening of their calves at night almost disappears. Almonds provide a different advantage. These small nuts are rich in magnesium, healthy fats, and plant protein. Magnesium helps muscles relax, improves recovery after walking or daily activity, and keeps muscle contractions stable. When combined with the potassium in bananas, your body receives a powerful mineral duo that strengthens every muscle fiber. The protein and healthy fats in almonds support muscle mass, maintain energy, and reduce evening fatigue in the legs. The preparation is simple. 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and a bit of cinnamon. Blend until smooth. You can drink it at breakfast or after a walk. When you pair this smoothie with golden milk and bone broth, your body receives a complete set of nutrients that support stronger legs, more flexible joints, and better independence in daily activities. Before adding these drinks to your daily routine, there are several important safety notes I want you to consider. This is not meant to worry you, but to ensure everything aligns with your current health needs, especially if you take medication or have existing conditions. With turmeric milk, some people may experience stomach discomfort if they consume too much turmeric at once. Turmeric can also affect blood clotting, so if you are taking blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, talk to your doctor beforehand. It is best to start with a small amount and increase gradually if your body tolerates it. With bone broth, be mindful of sodium levels. Some store-bought versions can be very salty. If you have high blood pressure, kidney concerns, or need to limit protein, choose a low-sodium version or make your own at home where you can control the ingredients. Bone broth offers many benefits, but it must be adjusted for individual needs. With the banana and almond smoothie, bananas do contain natural sugar. People with diabetes or insulin resistance should drink it in moderation and pair it with protein or fiber to avoid a rapid rise in blood sugar. Almonds can also cause allergies for some individuals. If you have a history of nut allergies, replace them with coconut milk or soy milk for safety. Whatever drink you choose, the most important thing is to listen to your body. If something does not feel right, reduce the amount or switch to a gentler option. And before making major dietary changes, especially if you take daily medications, consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. Remember, these 3 drinks are only part of a healthy lifestyle. Truly strong legs come from a combination of balanced nutrition, proper hydration, good sleep, and light daily movement. When you support your body in multiple ways, you will notice a more meaningful change. Now that you know how to use these 3 drinks safely, the next step is pairing them with simple daily habits to strengthen your legs week by week. In the next video, I will share 5 small but powerful habits that prevent nighttime cramps, improve circulation to the legs, and reduce that heavy leg feeling many older adults experience. These are habits many people over 60 follow and see real results within days. If you want to continue your journey of caring for your legs, make sure to turn on notifications so you do not miss the upcoming video. I am certain you will find at least one habit that fits your lifestyle. Before we wrap up, I would love to hear your experience. Among the 3 drinks we discussed today, which one would you like to start with? Have you tried any of them before? Share your thoughts in the comments and let me know where you are watching from and how old you are. Your stories help our community grow stronger and more supportive during this golden stage of life. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. I always aim to bring simple, practical guidance to help you not only live longer, but live better each day. A quick note. This video is for general educational purposes only. If you have medical conditions or take daily medications, consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Thank you for spending your time here, and I will see you in the next video.